Hi, my name is Claire Williams and I am the former team principal of the Williams Formula One team. I am delighted that Jason has asked me to come and talk at the Propertymark One conference on the 14th of June. During my time running Williams, I led 1,000 strong team in a very complex and highly pressured environment. And I'm really looking forward to coming and talking to you all about my experiences working in the world of Formula One. But equally, a big part of my focus during my tenure was diversity and inclusion and trying to bring a more diverse workforce to the Williams team, but also to Formula One as a whole. And I'm really excited to be able to share some of the lessons I learned and the experiences that I went through during my time working in a very male-dominated world that is Formula One. I really look forward to meeting you all on the 14th of June.